I'm on a 2011 Toyota Highlander, and today I'm going to show you how you would add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then while the vehicle's off and it's cool, you don't want to do any of this while the vehicle's warm, just because this liquid can get to a boil, and the system works under pressure, so you don't want a poisonous liquid to shoot out on you. But that said, these would be the two spots you look. This goes to the top of your radiator, and then this is where you typically would add any liquid to. And there's going to be a max full line here on the side, so you don't want to fill all the way to the top. There's supposed to be some air gap. But to fill, you just pop this off, and then straight from your coolant jug or with the funnel, you'd fill up here till you get to the max line. And try to match the color as best as you can with what's in here, and even the same brand if you're able to for the type in there. It's best not to mix and match if you can help it. But when you're done, just pop this on nice and tight. And then I check through all the reservoir and go through the lines for any cracks, leaks, anything like that. Same with the reservoir. Check around the motor as well. One way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation building up is the coolant's going to have a slight color to it. It'll have a slight sweetness smell to it. And then if you don't want it on your skin, but say you have a glove on, if you feel it, it should feel slightly more slick compared to what water would feel like. If you turn the vehicle on though and have it running, since it's under pressure, you should see some leaks start to form if there are leaks. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.